Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo sa isang overtime ang Denver Nuggets kontra sa Brooklyn Nets 144-139. Top performer si Nikola Jokic sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 18 rebounds, 16 assists at 1 block. Dennis Schroeder 28 points at 14 assists. Pinataob naman ng Dallas Mavericks ang Minnesota Timberwolves 120-114. Top performer si Kyrie Irving sa likod ng kanyang 35 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Anthony Edwards 37 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng Sacramento Kings ang Utah Jazz 113-96. Top performer si Domantas Sabonis sa likod ng kanyang 28 points, 11 rebounds at 4 assists. Jordan Clarkson 21 points, 5 rebounds at 3 assists. Tinambakan din ng Golden State Warriors ang New Orleans Pelicans 124-106. Top performer si Buddy Hield sa likod ng kanyang 28 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 2 steals. Zion Williamson 31 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 block. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of October 30, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 4 wins 0 loss. Boston Celtics 4 wins 0 loss. Orlando Magic 3 wins 1 loss. Miami Heat 2 wins 1 loss. Chicago Bulls 2 wins 2 losses. Atlanta Hawks 2 wins 2 losses. Washington Wizards 1 win 2 losses. New York Knicks 1 win 2 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 1 win 2 losses. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 2 losses. Brooklyn Nets 1 win 3 losses. Toronto Raptors 1 win 3 losses. Indiana Pacers 1 win 3 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 3 losses. Detroit Pistons 0 win 4 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of October 30, 2024. Oklahoma City Thunder 3 wins 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 3 wins 1 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 3 wins 1 loss. Dallas Mavericks 3 wins 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 3 wins 1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 2 wins 1 loss. Houston Rockets 2 wins 2 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 2 wins 2 losses. Sacramento Kings 2 wins 2 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 2 wins 2 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 2 wins 2 losses. Denver Nuggets 2 wins 2 losses. San Antonio Spurs 1 win 2 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 1 win 3 losses. Utah Jazz 0 win 4 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 31, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Toronto Raptors at Charlotte Hornets alas 7 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Los Angeles Lakers at Cleveland Cavaliers alas 7 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Boston Celtics at Indiana Pacers alas 7 ng umaga. Kakalabanin naman ng Detroit Pistons ang Philadelphia 76ers alas 7 ng umaga. Magtutuos naman ang Atlanta Hawks at Washington Wizards alas 7 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang New York Knicks at Miami Heat alas 7:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Orlando Magic at Chicago Bulls alas 8 ng umaga. Magharap naman ang Brooklyn Nets at Memphis Grizzlies alas 8 ng umaga. Magharap din ang San Antonio Spurs at Oklahoma City Thunder alas 9:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang New Orleans Pelicans at Golden State Warriors alas 10 ng umaga. Kakalabanin naman ng Portland Trail Blazers ang Los Angeles Clippers alas 10:30 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.